Hey, this is Missy with the Cady team. Check out our latest listing. Here in the Cottages at Greenland, it is a 2-story townhome, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. What I love about this property is not only is it a gated community, it is the only townhouse gated community in this area. Centrally located to interstates, the town center, St. Johns County, and the beach. What more can you want? Come on inside. Another thing that I love about this unit is the outdoor space. You have an outdoor lawn area with beautiful oaks, no buildings right next to each other, and also this unit has storage. You have outdoor storage, indoor extra storage, washer and dryer is included, and it's all under $200,000. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see this property in person, you can give us a call. Otherwise, we can give you a virtual tour of the property, send you this video link. Give us a call.